And here we are with another mod pack message. Today we're just going to grab our 1/2 inch ratchet, 72 tooth, so really fine, big socket release button and an easy to use direction changer, which all can be used one-handed. And what I'm going to do is fit that with a in-hex socket, which is locked on, so that can't come off, which is a feature. And over here we're just going to tighten up the mount for this boat motor, which is work in progress. And here we can see just tightening. We can get a whack at torque on that. If we've over torqued it, one hand operation to come to reverse. That's pretty well how we use an in-hex socket on a engine mount for a boat, and won't come off until we push the button. Thanks for watching.